Lindsay Therese. Kasi akong iyang name is Franz Lindsay. Lindsay with an E. So, her first name is Lindsay. So, dito na mo gikuha iyang first name. And the second name is Therese, which is ako, Maria Teresa. So, moto, Lindsay from her dad. So, Therese, which is my second name. So, combination sa amo ang name.
Sugar, don't you change a thing, you're already everything. You count, play it straight, don't look back, don't hesitate. You count, play it straight, don't look back, don't hesitate. You count, play it straight, don't look back, don't hesitate. When you go big time.
Why quality detergent is important.
Many people think washing machines get clothes clean just by rubbing them together. Actually, that's not true at all. First, we need to establish one core fact. The washing machine itself...
Sugar, don't you change a thing. Can't you see you're everything tonight?
Lindsay is a very happy baby, our one and only. So talagang lahat ng ginagawa namin, all our decisions, lahat para kay Lindsay. Wala kaming ibang iniisip talaga. Hindi talaga para kay Lindsay. She's our one and only daughter. At mukhang hindi na siya madadagdagan. So until the end, it will just be the three of us.
Ko para kay Lindsay, that she will grow up to be healthy, tsaka i-continue lang niya yung pagiging mabait niya. And also, isa lang yung masasabi ko, sobrang proud ako sa anak ko kasi sobrang bait ng puso niya. So, yeah, happy birthday, baby.
You were something spiritual, wish you could see you like I do.
Greetings from New Zealand. Did we say go, go, go?
Happy birthday, Lindsay! Mama and Papa love you very much. Happy 7th birthday.
You're busy playing nice, sweet and alright. I've been making eyes, trying to keep you by my side. Sugar, stay in my eyes. I've been looking for you my whole life. Sugar, I've been time. I've been waiting for you my whole life. Sugar, stay in my eyes. I've been looking for you my whole life. Sugar, I've been time. I've been waiting for you.
We love you so much. Praying that you'll grow up healthy and strong.
Always listen to your mom and dad.
Having fun at school.
And always pray.
We miss you. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lindsay. We're sending love from Dunedin, New Zealand. Hope you have an amazing party, and I hope you have lots and lots of good cake for us.
It's not the same, but we have one here for you too.
Yesterday, you were 36, and now look at you 1 year older, taller, and even more amazing.
Busy playing nice, sweet and alright. I've been making eyes, trying to keep you by my side. Sugar, you.
7 years old. So ang wish ko and advice ko sa'yo, sana maging ano ka pa din, masunurin ka pa rin sa amin ni mami mo. Kasi sobrang bait mong bata talaga and very respectful and you always follow what we say. So sana hanggang maging dalaga ka na, as you enter this stage na 7 years old ka na, sana makinig ka pa rin kay mommy and daddy because what we do for you is always what we think what is best for you pala. Happy 7th birthday, Lindsay! Love you!
Friendship from me, symbolizing health and my care for you. I wish you to have a good health.
Crazy, funny,